Hello, this is the instructional video on how to replace the charging cable of the Sigen EV-DC charging module. If the installation position of your Sigen store is far from the parking space and it is difficult to insert the charging cable into the EV charging port, don't worry, you can purchase a longer charging cable from our local partner to charge your EV with ease. Next are the operation steps. Please prepare the above-mentioned protective equipment and installation tool. For your safety, please put on insulated gloves and insulated shoes. First, please turn off the switch between the power grid and the Sigen store to ensure that the Sigen store is disconnected from the power grid. Then observe the indicator light of Sigen store. When the AC side is disconnected, the AC indicator light will change from green to yellow. Wait until it turns white, which indicates that the AC side has been completely disconnected. Then open the My Sigen app, go to Settings, and power off your Sigen store. Then wait for the Sigen store indicator to go out. Let it sit idle for 5 minutes to fully power down. Remove the left decorative cover of the first module. Please turn off the DC switch of Sigen store, then unscrew the power cord of the light strip. Please press the buckle to disconnect the power cord of the light strip between the decorative parts. Then remove the decorative cover. Similarly, remove all decorative covers on the left side of the Sigen store. Remove the charging cable clamp upper at the bottommost part of the left side of the Sigen store. Then unscrew the charging cable clamp of the EV-DC module. Remove the 4 screws from the EV-DC junction box cover of the EV-DC module. Use a multimeter to measure the voltages in the EV-DC junction box. First, set the multimeter to DC voltage mode. Then use multimeter to measure the voltage between DC plus and DC minus. The voltage between DC plus and PE and the voltage between DC minus and PE. Ensure the power is completely cut off. Pull the clip and disconnect the signal cable. Unscrew the screws of the PE, positive and negative power cables, then remove these cables. Next, please carefully cut the cable ties that fasten the cable harness. Unscrew the fastening nut and then remove the old cable. Take off the fastening nut and rubber ring from the old charging cable. Pass the new charging cable through the fastening nut and rubber ring. Pass the new charging cable through the cable entry hole of the EV-DC module. Connect the PE cable. Note, please ensure the wiring is correct and do not reverse the positive and negative poles of the power terminals. The tightening torque must meet the requirement. Please use a digital torque wrench to ensure it is about 2 Newton meters. Connect the negative power cable. Please also use a digital torque wrench to ensure it is about 2 Newton meters. Connect the positive power cable. Please also use a digital torque wrench to ensure it is about 2 Newton meters. Connect the signal cable. Finally, fasten all cable harnesses with cable ties. After completing the wiring, install the wiring cover plate and the corresponding screws. Install the charging cable clamp of the EV-DC module and the corresponding screws. Go to the left side of the bottom of the Sigen store, pass the new charging cable, secure it with the charging cable clamp upper, and tighten the screws. Reinstall the left side decorative parts. Please leave the top leftmost decorative cover uninstalled to facilitate the power-on operation. Place the charging cable into the charging connector holder. First, angle it slightly upward, insert it, then push it down, and the charging connector will lock into place. Then we proceed with the power-on procedure. Turn on the AC side switch between Sigen store and the power grid. Turn the DC switch to the on position. Then press and hold the on-off switch for more than 3 seconds to start Sigen store. Wait for the Sigen store indicator to light up. Finally, install the remaining upper left decorative cover. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the cable of the Sigen EV-DC charging module. Enjoy your green energy.